Hello everyone, we are Team Nova. My name is Aditya and along with my teammate Adarsh Kumar Pandey. Today we are excited to introduce our project CubeSat, a hands-on educational model inspired by real CubeSat satellites. In most classrooms, satellite technology is taught through theory and diagrams, making it hard for students to truly understand how satellites collect data and maintain orientation in space. Schools rarely have affordable interactive tools that allow students to explore these systems in a practical way. So, our goal isn't just to solve a problem, it's to provide schools with an opportunity for hands on, engaging learning, where students can actually see how satellite subsystems work.
Our idea is to build a simple CubeSat inspired model that uses an Arduino Nano along with various sensors to stimulate real satellite behavior. A student can note temperature, humidity, pressure, orientation, and GPS data in real time. This makes satellite concept easy to visualize, fun to experiment with, and highly educational.
CubeSat is built around an Arduino Nano housed in a small CubeSat frame. It uses sensors like THD11 for temperature and humidity, BMP180 for pressure and altitude, MPU6050 for motion and orientation, HMC5883L for digital compass readings, and Neo6M GPS for location tracking. All sensors communicate through I2C or serial connections. As students move, rotate, or tilt the model, the data updates instantly, showing exactly how satellites gather and process environmental data. The system is modular, allowing new sensors or features to be added easily.
In the future, we plan to include more advanced sensors, add wireless data transmission, build a student-friendly dashboard, and create a complete CubeSat simulation platform for STEM education and school projects.